3 ingredients na dapat meron ng mga halaman para makagawa sila ng kanilang pagkain. Bigyan niyo ako ng isa. 30.
Sunlight.
Sunlight, yes. Sunlight is correct. What else, Mr. 30?
Trees. Trees.
Trees, very good. For many years. What do we call this plant? Okay, Mr. 30.
Tree.
Tree. Tree. Okay, tree is correct. Very good. Can you show me your colored plant? Dito natin malalaman kung sino yung gumawa ng assignment. Ay, grabe naman yung iba. Oh. Wow, ganda ng pagkakakolor. Ganda naman nun. Very good, oh. Okay. Oh, ha? Very good. Galing yung mag-color, kids. Sobrang talented nyo naman. A rose is a what? 30?
Shrub.
Shrub. Pechay is a what? Ampalaya. Ampalaya is a type of plant that loves to climb up. Climber siya, climber. Ano yan? 30?
Vine.
It's a vine. What do you think are the uses of plants? Medicine, oo nga. Very good. 30.
Plants provide us food.
Provide us food.